Hey, what's up guys? I'm Abu Kalam again here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install a theme in WordPress in just 1 minute. Just 2 or 5 clicks. At first, I'm going to my WordPress dashboard. You can see this is a WordPress dashboard, and now I'm going to appearance, then theme. You can upload your theme here. This is the option 3, default theme, then add new theme. Just click here for add new. Now if you have a theme file, then upload here. Just upload, click upload, then drag and drop, then install. Otherwise WordPress recommend you millions free and paid theme. Here's the example of Astra, Generapress, then 2020, Hello Elementor, then others are Ocean WP, Navy, then Popular FX, yeah, etc. etc. But this video I'm going to teach you how to exactly install a Generapress theme, because I need Generapress theme. Just you can charge one by one, but I recommend this one. This is Generapress theme, but I recommend you here the type Generapress theme. Just enter. You can see this is a Generapress theme. Just click for install. Again, active. You need to active this theme, otherwise it don't work it. Then I'm going to my WordPress dashboard now. Then this is the website, and wow, and this look like a Generapress website theme. Wow. So this is easy work actually. This is appearance theme, customization, white menu, Generapress. So if you are newbies in the channel, subscribe my channel and turn on notification bell for the next video. And if this video is good, please like this video. See you again.